Good morning, students. Now we are going to start part 3, chapter 13, Weather, Climate, and Adaptations of Animals. You know, sun play an important role in changing the weather, or you can say sun also play an important role in changing of climate. The angle at which sunlight strike the earth varies by location, time, etc. due to the Earth's orbit around the Sun and its rotations round its own axis. At and near the equators, that is low latitudes, the sun rays hit Earth's surface almost vertically, almost all year long, causes hot climate. At poles, high latitudes, the sunlight hardly reaches, causes cold climate. In India, climate zone of India can be mainly divided into four climatic zones: alpine zone, subtropical zone, tropical zone, and arid zone. You can see here the India climatic zone map, from which you got clear idea about the various climatic zone in India. Alpine zone can be experienced at high altitude of the Himalayas. It is covered with snow throughout the year. Alpine zone is a type of natural region that does not contain trees because it is at high altitude, which is too cold and windy to support tree growth. Indian state that lies in the alpine zone are J&K, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh. Subtropical zone. This zone is in the most of the northern part of India. Here summer are hot and wet. In winter, the temperature may drop down even close to the freezing point of water in the region of higher ranges. Rainfall is quite common in summer season, whereas winters are usually cold and dry. So, in subtropical zone, summer are hot and wet, and winter are cold and dry. The region of subtropical zone are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Orissa, Bihar, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh. Tropical zone. Tropical zone is divided into two subtypes: the tropical wet and the tropical dry monsoon zones. In the tropical wet monsoon zone, the average temperature normally does not fall below 18 degrees Celsius, and it is accompanied by average to high rainfall. In tropical dry monsoon zone, the rainfall is not so common. The tropical wet zone are Kerala coast, Karnataka coast, Goa coast, and northern part of Konkan coast, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Arid zone. Arid zone is characterized by high temperature and low rainfall. The arid region lies in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, and Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. Temperature is as high as 50 degrees Celsius in summer. Thank you.